Today, guys, I'm bringing you another haul of Represent, but today, guys, is going to be a little special because I'm going to put you on some game just in case you guys want to succeed in life and you guys have your significant other that sometimes gets a little frustrated at you for spending too much money on sneakers and clothing. You got to keep them happy, guys. You want to get to the point real quick? You want to get to this real quick? Well, let's get to it immediately. Yes, the first thing in the list. Yes, it's pretty big, guys, but it keeps them happy. You gotta keep them happy. Ooh, if they ain't happy, you ain't gonna enjoy yourself. So you gotta get them the good stuff right here. Check it out, guys. Check it out. By the way, real big shout out to Represent. Always throwing it down with superb quality premium. I'm gonna put it like that. I'm gonna put it as premium. Big shout out to Represent, guys. And this right here, boy, check this out. Check this out. I don't know if you guys could actually smell it from the camera. Boy, you smell the leathers on this one big time. That includes the spare. That's right, baby. That's right. It's big. It's leathery. It's nice. That didn't sound good. That sounded like I was talking about something else. Who cares? Guys, check it out. The Represent tote bag in the leathers. Yes. It deserves a yes. Guys, I got this one for the wifey. And as you guys can see right there, premium quality all the way through. The leather pungent leather. You know it's good stuff when the leather's pungent. The grippy grips in the top, very nice. As you guys can see right there, the tag. And you see embossed into the leather, Represent. Very nice. Very supple, soft, buttery, tumbled leather. Very good quality, like I said. And the inside has this nice nylon with a silky feel, guys. It has a silky feel. Of course, guys, the space is out of control. Immense in here. I'm telling you, you could stuff giant baby oil bottles up in this joint. Even though this is for my wife, this has nothing to do with me whatsoever. And the second pouch inside of the bag is very, very spacious, guys. Very nice. And to close the bag, it's magnetized. Oh, yes. So fancy. Boy, I'll wear this on a Sunday night with some high heels and some... I meant to say my wife, guys. It's just that I messed up. I'm so used to, talking about, the sneakers and my world over here. You just get confused sometimes, guys.
Bruh.
But anyways, guys, yes, it is very nice, very good quality. And like I said, buy your chick this bag. I'm telling you, she's gonna be very happy. She's gonna let you buy. And if she doesn't let you buy, then you're shit out of luck and you should just get a divorce, bro. Hey, I bring you the comedies, but I'm gonna bring you the reality too, homie. You're shit out of luck. So that's it for the tote bag. Let's get into the next one, guys. Now we're gonna start jumping into my part of town right here, homie. Let me open the special bags of goodies. Yes, guys. Before, my special bags of goodies were a lot smaller. Now they're a lot bigger. And there it is, guys. The Represent 24/7. You guys know the team 24/7, just in case you guys buy. It's like the sports department of Represent. A very soft woven, as you guys can see right there. This is a size medium. It runs normal, guys. No oversized or nothing like that. And you see the cords to actually hold it. It's very sporty, guys. It's not really more like lifestyle. It's very sporty. It's to work out and stuff like that, even though I am gonna rock these out in the street. Screw all that working out with these. These joints go for $130. I ain't gonna be using this to be working out. All the pockets have a zipper so nothing can fall out. And the actual zipper has the R for Represent. On the left leg, it has the Represent logo right there in metal. And it has a nice little cargo pouch right there. Very nice. And right under that cargo pouch, it actually has another little stash. Very nice, guys. And it's on both sides, guys. It's both sides has the pockets. In the back, it has one pocket in the left side, with the Velcro. That's just in case nothing could fall off that back pocket or somebody try to pull off the jack move. You know what I'm saying? You get one of those hoochies. You get too close to them. You know that it's gone, son. Very nice, very nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've always felt awkward with actually wearing shorts and putting, you know, the imagery right there. You know, you probably see a balls or some shit. You know, I don't like that shit, dog. I feel like I'm just disrespecting. But it doesn't matter because it's not like I'm on purposely showing you my crotch. Huh? It's the shorts, man. It's the shorts. That's what counts. Next. And the next one, guys, is, let me open up this bad boy right here. Hey, I just realized something here. Okay, no, I'm completely off. They're both the same exact thing. I thought one was black and the other was clear. No, they're both clear. Let's check this out right here. Oh, you. That's right, baby. Look at that. Represent Belstaff. This is the Hiranina, guys. I love it. Check out that. The printing on it is puffy. Beautiful. The aura with the nice flames behind it. Man, that is so nice. Represent Belstaff in the front. Nice and puffy. Also super thick printing, man. Beautiful work, of course, guys. All the clothing of Represent is 220 GSM and higher. At least 200 GSM. That's what I know for sure. Let me catch my breath right there. This one is a little bit different, guys, than the rest of the other Represent that I have. The tag actually says Represent Belstaff. And the little branding cards that it comes with it. It's pretty nice, guys. Of course, real thick cardboard. And it says Belstaff with the wings. I'll show you the back right now. Let's flip this bad boy over. And as you guys can see, the back all the way in the top, it says Belstaff. And in the middle, it has that beautifully printed phoenix that is very, very nice. Belstaff, by the way, it is puffy. It is puffy. And the phoenix is more like a thick print. And the Represent in the bottom that says Represent England is nice and puffy. Very good quality all the way through. As you guys can see right there, I am 175 pounds. And this is a size medium, guys. Medium. You guys ever done the breaking down of words like, you know, medium, you know, roads, roads, fuck you. It's a last name, guys. Fuck you, fuck me. Never mind, I even said that one, guys. But yes, very nice. I love it. Let's get to the next one before this starts getting a little weird. Next on the list, ladies and gentlemen, let's open it up, baby. Let's open it up. I'm telling you, it's like I get excited every time I open these. I haven't seen these yet, man. These are nice. Oh, yes. I know exactly what it is, baby. The Metallica Represent collaboration. Bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang, bang, bing, bang, bing, bing. Look at that, guys. That's right. Ride the Lightning. One of my favorite albums of Metallica. Yes, guys, this might sound crazy to you, but the dude that you're looking at right here is actually a biker. Yes, I am a biker, guys, and left that world a while back. You guys can see my music video. Yes, I was, let's just say, a little deep in that world, and the majority of the music that I listen to is actually heavy metal, fast rock. You know, I listen to my Marilyn Manson, my Metallica. Sometimes I throw it down with a little Celtic Frost. If you guys know what that is, that's a little heavy up there. Yes, I do love heavy metal, and my favorite band of all times is Metallica. Of course, their best album of all time, the Revolutionary, the Black Album. Yes, amazing, but I am a very big fan of Ride the Lightning and Justice for all the good stuff. One, you guys remember that? Master of Puppets, all the good stuff, guys. That's what I'm all about, man. You know, I have a plethora of shit, you know. Let's get back to the shirt. So there it is, guys. Nice and printed Metallica in the front. You see the actual album cover. Very nicely printed, guys. Very nicely printed. And all the way in the bottom, it says Ride the Lightning. And it has the chair right there. I'm not going to mention it because, you know, maybe they don't like it in YouTube that I say the whole word. But you guys know already what chair that is. And yes, you see all the lightning bolts behind it. Very nice. And in the back, in the same font of Metallica, it says represent. And the chair, very large, as you guys can see it right there. Beautiful collaboration, not gonna lie. And it has the Evil Dead hand right there and the castle to the left. Very nice. Now going into the sleeves, in the sleeves it has the M all the way in the top with the lightning bolt going straight through the actual sleeve, and that is on both sleeves, guys. The actual tag on this one is completely the same. Represent, size medium, and all the way in the bottom you see the represent tag, and you see represent and Metallica for the collaboration. 40 years of Ride the Lightning, 1984 to 2024. Ride the Lightning came out 1 year, guys, before I was actually born, and I am a giant fan of the album. But yes, guys, this is for anybody that's a hardcore Metallica fan, or you're just a hype beast that has no idea what Metallica is and you don't even know one track of Metallica. You can still buy it because you're a hype beast. You know, it is what it is. I see them all the time, and God's Soul and all that. They're rocking Nirvana, they're rocking Smashing Pumpkins, they're rocking all the rocker stuff, all the hardcore metal, and they have no idea what they are actually wearing. I love it, guys. That's the beautiful part about culture. Same way that they destroy the culture too. But hey, yes, it is what it is. As a matter of fact, now that I'm talking about culture, and now we're talking about the sneaker culture, I think I should do a video of what's wrong with sneaker culture, because I think I figured it out. Maybe you guys have figured it out too. I'll do that video later on, guys. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today. The next video I'm bringing up is going to be a haul of Supreme, because you guys know my number one love is Supreme. I love the Supremes. And I got some good stuff coming in too. I'm talking about some nice pieces, but I got to wait to gather a couple pieces. Not just to do 2 or 3 little pieces there, and that's it, guys. You guys just hold on to the booties. I got good stuff coming up. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. ¡El cohete!